to create a image off of Google Slides, I'm going to go ahead and open a new document. I typically take out the template for that. I'm going to find my images to insert. Okay, so I'm going to go to my drive, and I now currently, for this project, have my things saved in a file that hopefully will load soon. Called Riley Escape. So I'm going to go ahead and find a maze that I had created, and I'm going to have that inserted. And this maze was to be about the topic of Green Lantern. So I actually want to include a Green Lantern on here. But I see that my maze is a little bit too big. So if I wanted to change the size of this page, I could go to File, and I would change it to Page Setup, and I would want to change it custom to something like, if you wanted 11 by 8.5, if that's how you want to do it. Okay, but you'll notice that maybe perhaps it changes like that. Okay, then I'm going to include Green Lantern. So I want to insert another image so that this now looks like it's going to be related to each other, right? And so let's go find Green Lantern. I chose a transparent image off of the internet for that to work. I'm going to resize him. And I might add something like start so that you know this is the starting point of the maze, okay? I can change up my different fonts and so forth and whatever, okay? So now this page is done. And if I wanted to save that as a as an image, I go to download. So you have all these options here. Sorry, mine came down a little bit. Download JPEG, and I would save that into, again, where I'm going to choose my escape room. So this might be Green Lantern Maze, so that when I'm going to be looking for it in my Google form, I'll be able to find Green Lantern Maze as an image because I can't import a slide. If you wanted to create all of your puzzles on the same page, you could do that. So I would just do new slide. Again, take out whatever pre-format is there. I would insert image, find my next image. So it might be, I don't know, could be if I was creating the telephone option or something, right? So I first found something like this, I inserted it, and again, I would be able to, without having to, start a new document, and I can just download this one as the Wonder Woman telephone, or whichever this one was, right? So Lego telephone, and it would save as a JPEG that I can import again into the forms later on.